trigonometry basically deals with the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Trigonometry can be broadly classified into two parts. One is plane trigonometry and one is spherical trigonometry. There are 6 important trigonometric functions: ratios, trigonometric tables, formulas and identities. Now when we talk about trigonometric ratios, the main trigonometric ratios are sine, cosine and tangent. Okay, the trigonometric ratios of a triangle are also called as trigonometric functions. Sine, cosine and tangent are the 3 important trigonometric functions and are abbreviated as sine, cos and tan. Consider now, if you take a right angle triangle, the largest side, that is called the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the hypotenuse are referred to the adjacent side and the opposite side. Now this is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse when you take a right angle triangle. Now there are 6 important trigonometric functions. So I will tell one by one all the 6 important trigonometric functions. So suppose you take a right angle triangle, that is the triangle with the 90 degrees. The sine function is supposed to be the opposite side by the hypotenuse. The tangent function is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. The cos function is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. The cosecant function is the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. The secant function, that is the secant theta, is equal to the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. The cotangent function, that is the cot theta, is the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. Now there are even and odd trigonometric functions. So trigonometric functions can be distinguished into 2 parts, that is even and odd. What is the odd trigonometric function? A trigonometric function is said to be odd if f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x with symmetric with respect to the origin. Now the even trigonometric function is said to be, the trigonometric function is said to be even if f of minus x is equal to f of x and symmetric to the y-axis. We know that sine of minus x is equal to minus of sine x, cos of minus x is equal to cos x, tan of minus x is equal to tan x, cosecant of minus x is equal to minus cosecant x, secant of minus x is equal to sec x, cot of minus x is equal to minus cot x. So therefore cosine and secant are the even trigonometric functions, whereas the other 4, that is the sine, tangent, cosecant and cotangent, are the odd trigonometric functions. Now with respect to the trigonometric angles, suppose you take a right angle triangle, the basic things are sine theta is what? Perpendicular divided by the hypotenuse. So theta is equal to sine inverse of perpendicular by hypotenuse. Similarly, what is cos theta? Cos theta is base by the hypotenuse. So theta is equal to cos inverse of base by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by the base. So theta is tan inverse of perpendicular by the base. Now accordingly you can form a trigonometric table, which is the basic table where the angles, basic angles which you use for calculations are 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So for this we have tabulated the values of sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot theta. For example, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cosecant 0 is infinity, secant 0 is 1, cot 0 is infinity. In the same way, we can tell the values of sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot theta for 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, and you can tabulate it into a tabular column. Now there are some trigonometric functions or formulas which we say. For example, sine square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is a very important formula. Similarly, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, cot 2 theta is equal to cot square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cot theta. Now what is trigonometric basics? The 3 basic functions are what? Sine, cos and tangent. Now secant, cosecant and cotangent are derived from sine, cos and tan theta. So first thing you have to basically understand that all the trigonometric concepts are based on a right angle triangle where there is a 90-degree angle and there is another theta. And what is a hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side which is opposite to the 90 degree. And what is the adjacent side and what is the opposite side? Now based on this, we say sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse and tan theta is perpendicular by the base. Now perpendicular is the base opposite to the angle theta. Now the base is the adjacent side to the angle theta. Hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angle triangle. Other than these, there are three other functions, which is cot theta, which is the reverse of tan theta, secant theta, which is the reverse of cos theta, and cosecant theta, which is the reverse of sine theta. Hence, you can say that cot theta is base by perpendicular, secant theta is hypotenuse by base, and cosecant theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Once you know these basic trigonometric functions and you are aware of the right angle triangle and how the angles are calculated, you can proceed with the further problems in mathematics. Okay?